This is my week 4 summary. I started with reading the week 4 folder, post my own comments, and go through the instructions, understand what professor wants us to do for week 4. I did the peer evaluation first and start up with my spiral dynamic assignments. By the end of the day, I was able to walk through a few questions on the spiral dynamic. The next day I continued with it and almost finished half of it. I then worked on my next video and submitted it. Finally, I responded to other 4 videos the same day. I contacted all my group mates to see how we can work on with the project too. And then I was able to get one to work with for project 2, which people agreed to work with me, and then I started working on project 2. I went to a store to buy some of the stuff I bought the rubber spoons, rubber bands, and some vesicle sticks for my project 2. Basically, that's all I did. I spent some few hours, almost, I believe it was 18 hours. I went to 2 different stores. And then I spent a lot of time on the spiral dynamic and then did videos. As usual, this is a class I always learn many things. I learn every day from this class. As I'm working with friends, contract friends, I have questions before I contact the professor. I get used to the problems in spiral dynamic and spiral kinematics. With different problems, most of the problems require deep thinking in the spiral dynamic, especially using Newton's second law. I've never done that. It's my first time. So in this video, I always learn a lot from friends, from videos posted by friends, and I learned a lot from those videos. I actually don't have a question this week. Everything is well explained to me. Reading the course content, following instructions. I believe it was only the first week that I had a few problems because of the computer skills. Now I think I'm used to everything. For next week, I plan on doing my research and then do my project 2, which I believe it's gonna take me some time. So I believe I'll start early next week. Start my project 2 very early next week. And if I have any question, I'll post it on the discussion board or contact my friends. Thank you.